Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like pound dollar, GBP USD, gold USD, then do check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. I'm extremely sorry for making this video so late because I have been receiving so many messages for the workshop and the signal service that I'm extremely overwhelmed. I got up at 4 o'clock in the morning, yeah, and still I have not taken bath yet. I didn't get time. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the love and support. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD and typical Monday morning where we do not have much volatility in the market. As we all know, Monday mornings are usually dull, flat, and we can see that in the market also we do not have much movement right now. Euro USD right now trading at 1.1049. This is the current market price here. And as I have already mentioned on my previous video that these are the important levels of the market. So the previous levels are still intact. Levels वैसे की वैसे ही है. At the top we have 1.1129 or 30. This level at the top is the resistance for the market. Okay, then we have 1.1010. This level on the market as support. Why is this is a support here? Okay, I'll be explaining here. Okay, just listen to me right now that 1.1129 or 1.1130, this is the resistance for the market. So if market goes up, then you can take a sell position around this level. But observation is important, as I always say. Okay, one market will be near this level. Observe the market first. If you see price being rejected from above, if you see strong price rejection, then you'll get the understanding. You'll get the confirmation that sellers are still present, and you can take a sell position around the resistance here. And right now you can see that market is trading here. Okay, and we have a support around 1.1010. This support is important because you can see that 50 moving average is more or less working as a dynamic support here. Okay, 50 moving average is more or less working as dynamic support here. And if we bring the Fibonacci retracement level here, then you can see that Fibonacci is also giving us a hint that yes, this level we can trust this level as a support here. So if you combine these two factors, Fibonacci plus 50% retracement level, so this makes it a good support for the market. So under normal market circumstances, we can hope that market will be bouncing from this level. But keep in mind, today we have a speech of Jerome Powell. So as we all know, these speeches are very dangerous. It brings a lot of volatility in the market. Okay, so if there is high volatility in the market, if market breaks it, then that's a different chapter. But otherwise, under normal market circumstances, if you find Euro USD taking support around this level, there's a good possibility of market bouncing. If market bounces, we can definitely go for a buy position. And ultimately, we have a support around this level as well, 1.0925 or 1.0900, 1.0925 to 1.090. This is the ultimate support for the market, but I don't think so that market will be testing this level too soon. Okay. As of now, let's keep our eyes on this level, 1.1010 only. Okay. If it breaks it, then we have this level. But keep in mind, if market goes up from here, then this is the first resistance for us. Okay, this is the first resistance for us. We can hope for a sell. And the next selling zone for Euro USD is around 1.1200, 1.1200, because we have another resistance here. So these two are the important resistances, and we have got these two as the support for the market right now. Right now market is here. If you have a buy position, be on the buy position, no need to exit. As long as market is trading above this level, you don't need to exit from the buy position. Okay, and be careful. Jerome Powell's speech will bring volatility, craziness in the market. So use proper risk management and stop loss. And as I always say, do not risk your hard-earned money like a crazy person. Okay, bye-bye. Take care.